welcome back to another episode. Shut up!
You sound a little...
This is our 100th episode. Kara and I thought it'd be fun just to show you a bunch of different clips of all the things we have done in the past. They're kind of secret videos.
Things no one else outside our family really hasn't seen before.
What she said.
Yeah.
It's usually things that we do, such as tearing down barns, fixing our barn, doing martial arts. Yes, we've been in martial arts for a while. Building the garage, renovating a building that eventually got turned into a museum of contemporary art over in Wausau, Wisconsin. And then finally, clips of us just usually being silly on a daily basis, because whenever we're working, we're usually pretty silly. We're usually pretty.
I had a wonderful time, Mary.
We're usually pretty silly. So the clips you're gonna see are all random clips of us doing things. So have fun and enjoy. Moment later. Shh. What the hell are you doing? Yeah.
This is the anticipation.
Oh, there it comes.
There it goes, there it goes.
Oh yeah.
You always wanted a waterfall, right? Oh, if you look down there, you can see the water's up here.
Wow.
This one, there's no webs. The one below him, there's no webs.
Damn it. What are you doing?
I'm looking at you, yeah.
Wisconsin Dells. Whoa. You're wasting all the water.
This is why the barn falls down. Not supposed to happen.
Oh, the whole wall's not connected to the side, so it's actually floating. And all we have to do is push it over and it would fall. Our whole life is going. Okay, push the wall over.
Push the wall.
Push the wall. Push the wall. Didn't see that one coming, did you?
Man. Just as planned.
You can do it too. Both of them are gonna go. Yup, they're both moving. Holy shit! Here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can do it, honey. I believe in you.
That's how we concrete.
Damn it!
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's recording. Holy crap. Is it done now?
Thank you.
Maligned.
Goo, goo, goo. Ga, ga, ga. I know this is the baby Terminator.
Kara, what happened?
I fell down.
You know that part in Indiana Jones 2? He's in the pit and the spikes are coming at him. Yeah, it's your mom's house. Right there.
This is how you work out in the Northwoods, okay? You got to lift the tree, you just don't cut them.
And look at this stuff and Butters is staring at me. Then there's a kitty to my flank trying to kill me. Let me glue that, and screw that. Any random chore you got, well I can do that. Really, I'll just rewire your house for fun. I got 99 problems, but a switch ain't one.
Go home. Go home. The shovel is not your home. Go home.
This is what brothers get. Here, stick it in here. Stick it in here.
So that was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a little long, I know, but we do a lot of things, especially over several years. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you like this video, hit like. If you like seeing us on a weekly basis.
We gotta talk.
Kara. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Good luck, honey. I believe in you.
Stupid cameras.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Yay, this is what I wanted.
Oh, maybe I should get you back there.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Never mind.
No.
She doesn't exist. She's back there.
I'm the sparrow. It's fine. It's fine.